has built dry motor submerged pump sets, each rated as the world's largest horsepower, 2,055 horsepower, the world's highest head, 300 meter, and India's largest flow rate, 12,240 cubic meters per hour. Aqua has the world's second largest plant, dedicated to dry motor, submerged pumps, and a range that is globally unbeatable. For over 2 decades, Aqua, the largest manufacturer of dry motor submerged pump sets, has had an unmatched, compounded annual growth rate of 27%. Aqua's strong impetus on R&D, competent engineering support, highly skilled and experienced manpower, allows it to offer future-ready designs. Hiavar, pressurized distribution lift irrigation project on Sonay River, MP. Aqua's HT submerged VT pump sets, 1,405 horsepower, 6.6 kilovolts, for raw water handling at the intake well. 360 mld, indoor water supply scheme. Run satisfactorily on 92 mld Aqua submerged pump set since 2013, in very difficult conditions. 360 mld, indoor water supply scheme. Run satisfactorily on 92 mld Aqua submerged pump set since 2013, in very difficult conditions. Aqua's 2,055 horsepower, 6.6 kilovolt, submerged CF pump sets, used at Sonay Kanha lift irrigation system. LNT benefits from least life cycle cost by Aqua's 2,055 horsepower HT submerged pumps for its relay pumping stations for its Sonay Kanha LIS. LNT benefits from least life cycle cost by Aqua's 2,055 horsepower HT submerged pumps for its relay pumping stations for its Sonay Kanha LIS. To sustain 1,468 mld drinking water for Greater Hyderabad, Aqua designed unique bottom-rested submerged pumps. Aqua has supplied its tubular pump sets to Hyderabad Metropolitan Water Supply and Sewage Board, each rated 12,240 cubic meters per hour. NC26. India's first comprehensive water supply grid. Bulk transport of 543 mld of drinking water since 2015. Using Aqua's submerged centrifugal pumps, rated 940 horsepower, 6.6 kilovolt VFD driven. India's oldest hydropower station. Uses Aqua's submerged pump sets to transfer nearly 5.5 cubics of raw water. And since 2004, these pumps are running very satisfactorily. Gujarat's highest head lift irrigation scheme. Aqua's 123 meters head, 939 HP, submerged vertical turbine pump sets enable energy-efficient lift irrigation of 28.5 cusecs at Kanpur LIS. The cost and land-effective 600 cusecs, 1468 MLD, Greenfield Canal linking pumping station was set up in ultra-low time of just 65 days. It helps sustain drinking water for 2/3 of Gujarat. Thanks to this pumping station of 1,468 MLD, nearly 4 crore people could get sufficient drinking water. Aqua's submerged CF pumpsets-based floating pumping station has been chosen for 1 point for TMC water supply to the world's largest integrated renewable energy project at Pinnapuram. Aqua's scope of work for the Pinnapuram IREP model. KBJNL is using Aqua's submerged centrifugal pump sets of 855 horsepower with a discharge of 2,589 cubic meter per hour for irrigation purpose. Lift Irrigation Scheme, Sangli District, Maharashtra. Submerged CF pump set, 335 HP, with a discharge of 765 cubic meters per hour, for raw water handling. Achieved head of 79 meters, with a discharge of almost 2,250 cubic meters per hour, for the Hiria tank filling scheme, Karnataka. Aqua's submerged pumps used to feed the pressurized distribution networks, for example at Tapi Irrigation Development Corporation and Karnataka Niravari Nigam Limited. Aqua supplied its submerged CF pump sets to Government of Odisha for the Mega Lift scheme. Aqua supplied its submerged CF pump sets to Government of Odisha for the Mega Lift scheme. Asian Development Bank funded rejuvenation of lift irrigation scheme. Run smoothly with much lower maintenance as compared to erstwhile conventional pumps. Drawing on its R&D expertise, Aqua develops case-specific pumps. This in turn resulted in lowering the energy bills of Kerala government by 25%. Aqua's pumps have continued to amaze the clients with its simple operation and zero maintenance qualities. A list of some of Aqua's pumps in water resources.